All these girls excited. Ooh, you know they like it. I'm so cheesy. That was horrible. But you danced. You're probably singing now. You probably got the song in your head now. You're welcome. Hey. No. Hi. No, Brittany. No. What's up? No. Who do you think you are? What's up, Woody? No. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pineapple Vegan, and today, guess what I'm making? I'm making my cheese sauce. Why I say cheese sauce is because you can use it for a lot of different things. Nachos, pastas, like Cajun pasta. You can use it for a lot of things, okay? You can, and it's very good. It's like unbelievably similar to dairy cheese, but without the cruelty. But before we get started, I have to address something. So for all of yous who have already subscribed to my channel, just sit on this side, okay? All of y'all, go on this side. Okay, so the rest of yous who haven't subscribed to my channel, go to this side so I can talk to y'all for a minute. Over here, you too, I see you, go over there. What you waiting on? What are you, don't take up for them. What are you waiting on? Why you ain't subscribed to my channel? Oh, you one of them, I'm just gonna watch on the low type people, huh? Just go ahead. Come on, push it. Just push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button.
Just push the button. I'm sorry. Just push the button. Just push it. Come on. There you go. See? Was that so hard? Now we really are best friends. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that we addressed the elephant in the room. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. I know you ready for this, but I have to show y'all something. You ready? Y'all, look at my sleeve. Look at my sleeve. Y'all, these are cute, right? They're like slipper socks. So are they slocks? Look at those piggies. I love them. I got these piggies and some other ones on Amazon. Dead A. So serious. And they are so cute and they're so cheap. If y'all want some piggies, well, I'll put that link in the description box below so you can get you some of these and some of the other ones if you want. And also, I already know y'all are gonna ask about my sweater. Guess where I got it? You guessed it. Amazon. You was right. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me tell you what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need, for your cheese sauce, some vegan butter, flour, and you're gonna need some or nutritional yeast. That's half a cup. And you're gonna need onion powder, garlic powder, no chicken broth, but also you're gonna need turmeric. And for your personal preference, you can add some vegan cheese. Now, I like to add vegan cheese. You don't have to. This cheese sauce speaks for itself. You don't have to. And also for this one, I'm gonna be using a CAJUN seasoning because this one is actually gonna be used for some pasta. And I'll have a video for that too. It's gonna be after this one, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry, don't come for me. Now, if you're trying to make a cheese sauce for nachos, instead of CAJUN seasoning, you're gonna use taco seasoning. And you can use a packet taco seasoning or your own. So we're gonna start with the butter. So you're just gonna take a really nice spoonful of butter. This is a really quick and easy recipe. It's not gonna take much time at all. I also forgot to mention that you're gonna need non-dairy milk as well. Sorry about that. So you're gonna gradually add in your flour and you're just gonna whisk it. And you're gonna slowly add in your broth. So now we're gonna add in our milk. I know it looks weird, but just keep whisking. Whisk away until it's smooth. Okay, so obviously I'm still whisking. So while we're mixing, we're gonna simultaneously add our spices. So I'm gonna add the onion powder. Wow, you don't stop mixing, okay? That's very important. And let's actually bring our heat down a little bit. I had it on high, now I'm gonna put it on medium low, okay? And then now I'm gonna add my garlic powder. And then I'm going to add my Cajun seasoning because I'm using this cheese sauce for a Cajun pasta. Oh, it smells so good already. And then some turmeric. Okay. And now I'm gonna add my nutritional yeast. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some more milk for consistency. So, you know, as like most of my recipes, you just really just eyeball it how you want it, honestly. As you can see, it has the look that we're going for, and now it's getting the consistency. So at this point, your cheese is basically done. Like, legit, that's really all to it. You can adjust the taste or seasonings to your liking. Obviously, I'm extra. I like a certain type of consistency and taste. And I'm gonna add my cheese, my shreds. So now I'm gonna take my heat down to low. I'm gonna add my cheese. You can add as little or as much as you want. I'm gonna add the whole thing. And like I said, you don't have to add this. The cheese is bomb by itself already. Oh, it's liquid gold, baby.
I love gold. The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture.
So y'all, it's done. You can go ahead and make it and pour it over your potato wedges and make you some cheese fries. My kids love that. Make you some nachos, make you some pasta. Just go crazy, you know? As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry it took forever, okay? If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, y'all, if I didn't bully you enough in the beginning, go ahead and subscribe so you can see all my videos, okay? Just click the little button. Just click the little red button to say subscribe, and then you'll be subscribed, and then we'll be friends forever. Don't you want that? But go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you make this cheese sauce, which I know a lot of y'all will, because I've been getting a lot of hate mail. You guys are aggressive. If you make it, let me know. Post it on your Instagram, tag me, share it with your friends. I wanna see if they make it. I wanna see what all of you guys think about it. If you think you like it, what you think I should do differently, let me know. Cause I listen to a lot of the things you guys say, I promise I do. But yeah guys, stay tuned for the next video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.